Hello guys, good afternoon again. Ready na yung shower natin guys. Yung shower natin guys nandito. Kwan siya. Shower number 1. And then may code para pwede ka makapasok sa loob. So dito guys, elevator, press ito na guys, open na siya. Buwangga. So ngayon, second floor. Guys, real ang truck stop dito. Up. Where are we? Okay guys, dito tayo second floor. Yan guys, yung truck stop nandun sa baba. Bongga. So mag-relax guys. May couch sila dito. May TV. So yung sa atin guys, shower number 1. So punta tayo sa shower number 1. So here guys, shower number 1. Shower. So yung code natin is 4098. Is it? Oh, 40948, sorry. Mali guys. 40948. Okay. Here we are. Guys, yung shower room. Yung bowl dito, lock. Okay. So, ito yung bowl. Ito yung lavatory, and then ganon ang Amerika guys. Yung kung wala kang points guys, mag-avail ka ng shower is 1,000 pesos per shower guys, hot and cold, and is it. So see you later. Mamaya na guys. Thank you so much.